Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make like an obby using your cosmetics and grow a garden. So you're going to want to put like a log first or like a pillar. Here, I'll just show you guys. So I added this pillar here. I'm just trying to make sure that I don't move what I don't want to move. Okay, that's good. Then you're going to place like a platform. You can add like a jumping pad if you have one. You could get the jumping pad. Where is it? I have like a different shaped one. Let me try jump. Okay. Is it like the mushroom? Oh, okay, it's this one here. You're going to place it here and then kind of see where it jumps to next, and then you can add like another jumping pad, or you can add like a platform up there. Oh no, I might have messed this up. Okay, never mind. And then hold on, you're just going to find where you like want to jump to, and you're going to add like a platform there, for instance, like here. Then you're going to grab the pillar and just remove that, and it's going to float. So for instance here, you can like jump up here and then add like another one here and then here, and then you would have created like an obby in your garden. I'm trying to make like an aesthetic basically area in my garden. This is like my third slot, so I can do kind of whatever I want. I don't need to like plan to grind, because on the like first and second one, the first one, it has like a lot of like my most valuable price wise like plants, and then on my second garden slot there's like the items I need to do the quests and stuff, like the event here. So yeah, that is it. I'm just going to remove everything now because I don't want it to look like this. I'll make it prettier later on. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.